Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets across different platforms. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Polkadot from Gemini to Coinbase in 2025. This step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and secure, even if you're new to this. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Gemini and Coinbase. These platforms are key for crypto trading, and security is paramount, so double-check your two-factor authentication settings before we start. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and locate your Polkadot wallet. This is where your DOT tokens are stored. Step 2. Find the Withdraw button, usually next to your DOT balance. Click on it to open the withdrawal form. You'll see options for different cryptocurrencies. Select Polkadot. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Keep an eye on any minimum limits or fees Gemini might charge. These can vary, so it's smart to check first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Now, you need the receiving address from Coinbase. Switch to your Coinbase app or website, go to your DOT wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip. Always verify the address to prevent errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Paste the Coinbase address into the Gemini withdrawal form and review everything. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like email or SMS codes. Once submitted, the transaction will process on the blockchain. In 2025, with improved network speeds, this might take just a few minutes, but monitor it closely. Head back to Coinbase and check your DOT balance to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. Your Polkadot tokens are now in Coinbase. Remember, stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage if possible. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.